I got a new package in the mail and I'm pretty stoked. Also, let's talk about helmets. Hey YouTube, what's good? Salty Flyer. So today we're talking about helmets and then open a package I got in the mail that I'm super pumped about. So helmets, I believe helmets are a choice. That said, I've lived in a succession of helmet loss states, so we are where we are. You gotta ride with the lid where I'm at. So for the longest time I rode a beanie helmet. That's fine, I still have it. I still ride it in the summer, it's fun. You know, it's the closest thing to no helmet you can get. But my kids shame me into a full face. I'll be honest, in the wintertime the full face is kind of good. Keeps the bugs out of your face in the summer, but in the winter, keeps you warm, keeps you dry. I don't hate it as much as I thought. I've always been fascinated by those 3/4 helmets, the Bell helmets, the ones that look kind of like a race, old style 60s race helmet. I thought those were really cool looking. But the problem is, when you wear them, you end up looking like a cross between Marvin the Martian and those dudes from Spaceballs. I'm a kid from the 80s, look it up, dude. So enter Custom Destruction, company out of North Carolina, not sponsored, not affiliated. I'll just be out there in the front. I paid full freight for it. But they do helmets and they customize helmets, and it's pretty sweet what they do. So they start out with a Daytona helmet, just a regular 3/4 Daytona helmet, a bunch of different colors. They rip the guts out, they repackage it, they repack all the guts in there. They put a custom liner in there. You have like a dozen, it seems like about a dozen colors you can pick from, and then they ship it out to you here. So I'm gonna take a look at that. Let's unbox it. I hate unboxing. Let's just open the damn thing and we'll take a look, see what we got. All right, we're starting off with the box. Awesome, Custom Destruction. Love the logo there, so pretty sweet. Let's open up what we got inside. Yeah, I pre-cut it. So comes out of the box in a Daytona helmet bag, because that is what it originally started life as before the crew out there got a hold of it. So I ordered gloss black with chrome accents. Bike's black, and I don't know, a little chrome never hurt nobody. Even though I have the blacked out bike. I'm trying to get the fingerprints off it. Here she is. Isn't that pretty? So, if you look on the inside, I got redlined. Why did I get redlining? Well, because the bike's nickname is Knight Rider. There was a black and red thing going on. Also the vest, my summer vest has a red lining, so I went with red. But there's blue, green, gray, purple, all that kind of stuff. You can immediately tell that it's a little less crazy packed in there. The material is like a velour kind of material, but definitely a little tougher than that. Should fit on your noggin good. It's got ratchet strap, so kind of the stock strap I believe it comes with from the factory. So I like ratchet straps. Some people swear by D-rings. You can actually request a D-ring. I think it's double D-ring. I know there's a leather strap upgrade option that you can have them make for you, but this one is also this one's just a stock ratchet strap because it's kind of what I like. On the front, you'll see here, we've got the snaps. So if you want to rock a visor, or if you want to be super old school and rock the bubble shield, I guess you could get a bubble shield. Ugh. I feel like that would make me claustrophobic. I'm not a real bubble shield kind of cat. It was enough for me to get into the full face here. Also, you've got a little keeper on the back for if you want to rock gogs. They kept the DOT sticker on it. I am not prepared to give you legal advice or comment on the legalities of that DOT sticker. I am merely saying that it is on there. So let me pop this thing on and take a look, see what we're dealing with here. Yeah, buddy. So this is what I'm talking about right here. This thing is, you can see how it fits. It fits a lot closer to the head. You don't have that bubble head look. Side to side like that. So you can very easily, as cool as I can look, which is hard, this thing looks cool. It's a cool looking helmet. I'm gonna take it out for a ride. It's been absolutely crap weather kind of everywhere in the country, it feels like. But I think we got a little decent nubbin of weather today. So I might take her out for a ride after work and see what's what. But sizing, runs true size. So size yourself up with, there's a sizing guide on their website. If you have a tailor tape, that's probably the best. If you don't, use a string and then lay that on a tape measure. Don't wrap a tape measure around your forehead. Yeah, anyway. So I think this thing's pretty sweet. I like how it looks. I am probably gonna ride this. Like I said, no affiliation whatsoever. Ooh. Let me tell you a quick story though about the customer service, because I want to shout out Custom Destruction real fast, because they were really cool. So I ordered the helmet. You click on the thing and it says, hey, it's going to take up to 2 weeks to get your helmet built because they're all hand built. Awesome. So do it, send the money, get on about our business. Actually, less than a week later, I get an email saying, hey, your helmet's shipped. Sweet. Pretty excited about that. And like every little 9-year-old trapped in a 45-year-old body, I click the button on the link and it says, we've created the label, we don't have the package yet. Okay, no big deal, you know. Maybe they make he does all the labels at the office, drops them all off the post or at the UPS office later on. No big deal. I forget about it. A week later, I click the link again and it says the same thing. It says, we have a shipping label, we don't have your package. So that doesn't seem right. So I emailed Custom Destruction, just went on their website, found their email address for their any kind of customer questions and shot them a note. No kidding, within an hour, this was a Friday morning, within an hour I get an email back saying, yeah, no, that ain't right at all. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build you a helmet today, this morning, and send it out today so you get it. Like, damn, that is good customer service. Like, he'll run it to ground, not, hey, I'll go off to the thing, try to find it, or make a few phone calls, or if I gotta build you another one, it'll be a week and a half. Like, dude did it that day, and I got a shipping notice that day, and it showed up like 3 days later. So I was pretty happy. So Custom Destruction, big thumbs up on your customer service. You guys are awesome. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna take her out for a quick spin and see how she does out there in the weather. I will link in the comment section below the website and the Instagram page for those guys, because I think that I think people should check it out. I mean, it's not cheap. It's not like your novelty helmet you're gonna buy at the rally that's like 40 bucks. Like, you know, you're gonna spend, I think, just a little over $200, give or take. So, but really nice work. They also do restoration. So if you've got like an old school lid from like an old chopper project and you want them to rebuild it, they will do that too. So give them a shout. But for those of you who stuck around this far, thank you so much. Thank you. Please, if you can, be so kind to click the like button. Really appreciate it. Subscribe if you want to see more stuff like this. It gets my little tiny corner of the internet growing. So until the next video, this is Salty Flyer. Keep the shiny side up. Keep riding. Peace.